Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever worked with dates in Power BI and wondered how to get the actual month names out of your date columns, like seeing January or February instead of just numbers, then this tutorial is for you. By the end of this quick walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to extract readable month names using either DAX or Power Query. Whether you're designing dashboards or analyzing sales trends, labeling months in a way that makes sense is incredibly helpful, and today I'll show you just how easy it can be. Let's jump right in and start from scratch. First, imagine you're looking at a basic sales table. You might already have your data imported, but if not, you can quickly add some sample data to follow along. In Power BI, click on Home and then choose Enter Data. Let's call our new table Sales. Here's what it looks like. You've got columns for date, product, and sales. For this example, say you have dates like 2023-01-15 for a laptop, 2023-02-10 for a smartphone, and so on, covering a few months. Having relevant sample data really helps you see what effect each step is having, plus it sets you up for the next parts of the tutorial. Now, let's tackle the first method for getting that month name, using DAX. This is Power BI's formula language, kind of like Excel formulas but more powerful for data modeling. What you want to do is go to the Modeling tab at the top and click New Column. This is where you'll create a new column for month names in your sales table. In the formula bar, you'll want to enter a formula that looks like this: month name equals format sales date, MMMM. Don't worry about memorizing it. I'll pop it in the video description for you to copy. The format function here is your friend. What it does is take each date in your sales date column and spit out the long-form month name like January or March instead of a number or short code. It's super useful because month numbers can be hard to interpret at a glance, but seeing February immediately tells you what period you're working with. If your data table has a different name, just swap out sales for whatever your actual table is called. Once you hit enter, you should see a new month name column pop up right alongside your original data, automatically mapping the right month name to each date row. It's pretty satisfying to see it happen. But let's say you'd rather use Power Query to transform your data before it even lands on your report view. This is great for cleaning and preparing data in bulk, or if you want to keep things organized when handling lots of tables. To do this, go to the Home tab and click Transform Data to enter the Power Query editor. Here, just click on your sales table, then head over to Add Column, hover on the Date menu and choose Month, then select Name of Month. Power Query takes care of the rest, creating a new column with beautifully formatted month names for every date in your table. Once you're done, remember to click Close and Apply to make sure your changes show up back in the main Power BI window. Sometimes there's a small delay here. The Applying Changes message might stick around for a few moments, so don't worry if it takes a minute. When it's done, your dataset is ready to go, and that's it. Using either DAX or Power Query, you can now turn date columns into readable, user-friendly month names that make your reports much more accessible and insightful. Pick whichever method fits into your workflow. I sometimes use both, depending on what else I'm building in the model. If this helped you out, give the video a like, and if you have any questions or run into snags, just drop a comment. I do read them. Don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks so much for watching and happy reporting.